Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I am doing a part 2 of my wreath making. I have this second wreath and I wasn't sure if I was going to make it or not, but because I have it, I'm kind of thinking I will. I have extra flowers and I have this, so let's go ahead. I have this like rope that I got from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was really cool and I wasn't sure what I was going to use with it. I'm still not sure, but I thought it might be neat to incorporate it with this. I don't know. I don't even know if I can. I was kind of thinking it might be neat to wrap this tea in the cording. Let's see how that looks if I did this. And then, oh, well, you know what? I probably should have gone the other way. Of course I can't. So let's see if I start it down here at the bottom. And then if I wrap this, how will that work exactly? Because how am I going to get the middle part? And does it even look like a T anymore when you do all this? Or maybe I should just paint it. Or maybe I don't even do the T in this one. Maybe I make some sort of weird bow with it. Or maybe I don't use it at all. I don't know. This is how my brain works. So let's see if I just tied it into a bow. That's dumb. All right, well, I'm still not sure. I mean, I could wrap this, but then I don't think I have enough to wrap the whole thing, like tightly. So it'd have to be like a loose wrap. And maybe that would look stupid. I don't know. I guess we're just checking it out, aren't we? Yeah, that looks dumb. Okay, I don't like it. And I guess it depends on what look I'm going for, but this is kind of pretty. Kind of like that. Maybe I need like a different kind of a bow, like a bigger bow. Here. Or maybe that could go on the bottom. No, I kind of like it on the side again. I don't know why I'm doing the side thing, but I like it. I have ribbon. I'd like to get wire ribbon though. So I have to see if I have some wire ribbon. I'll be right back. Okay, so I made this weird looking bow that I didn't have any wired ribbon. I'm not hating on it though. It's kind of rustic, kind of neat looking. I don't know. This isn't anything that can't be undone for sure. And the bow keeps wanting to go back into itself, which is kind of weird. It's kind of just a bunch of ribbon just bunched up, but it kind of looks neat too. I don't know. To each their own, I suppose. I would prefer a big fluffy ribbon, but it's kind of neat, like I said. I don't know. I'm kind of liking it. I don't know that I want this big long thing hanging down. But I might want some of this jute or whatever to be entwined with it. Or maybe not. Jute kind of looks dumb. I don't even know if I need anything else. I kind of just like the purple. Goodness, I don't know. I'm gonna move these things out of the way. Do is just put some glue on there. Pull off the glue that hit the vinyl tablecloth thingy. A lot of people ask about this. This is a photography background. I found it on Etsy. It's been years ago now, so I have others and I need to change it out or at least move it to a different side because this has seen better days, but it's still pretty cool. I love the rustic look and I love that it protects and you can get things off like that. Okay, let me hold this up so that I can see it. Yeah, okay, there's too much jute stuff. I don't know what this stuff is, but I'm calling it jute. So let me just cut this off. Toss that. think I also need to put a little bit of glue right here for the bow, because these things keep wanting to like fall together, and I don't want them to. I'll do the same thing on this side, although this side seems to be a little better. I don't know what I did differently to this side than I did to the other side, but okay, I think that's done. I wasn't planning on doing that at all with this, but I kind of like the way it came out, so hopefully you guys do too. And it's really thin, so it will surely fit between my door and my screen door. So now I need to figure out what to do with all of... I have 3 wreaths now. Crazy. I had a place I knew for 2, but maybe I can incorporate the 3rd one too, so I don't have to like try to find a place to put it away or anything, because that's no fun. Okay, so there is that. I'm going to turn it upside down and let it finish drying, because it's still a little tacky with that hot glue. Now, I also have this and this. Succulents are not always my thing, but my mom had hens and chickens, or chicks and hens, whatever these are called, and so these always remind me of her, and I thought this would be really cute on one of my little white tables. And I wanted to play with it a little bit, just so it sits kind of like that. So I don't know, I think I need to bend this. There we go. I don't even know if I need to glue it. I could leave it like this and then just change it out if I wanted to, but I don't know that I'll want to, so I don't know. Let's see what these look like in it. Oh, that looks stupid. Okay, yeah, then I don't want to. So I am going to glue this. I think I'm just going to take my hot glue and put it around the rim of this. And I'm almost out of glue stick. I need another one. Right in the middle of a project. I gotta remember what I did with my glue sticks. Okay, there. All the little ghosties. From the hot glue. I should have put some marbles or something in here because it is very top heavy, but oh well, I didn't think of it. And it's not that big of a deal. If it falls, it's not gonna, if this even unglues, it's not gonna be disastrous. But all right, there we go. So that's kind of cute, right? Take some of this glue off that doesn't need to be on the edge. I guess putting it on the edge was not the smartest idea. Should just put it where it connected. But there, it comes off pretty easily. Okay, glue ghosties. All right, so now I have still some cotton I don't know what to do with. I have extra flowers I don't know what to do with. So if you guys have ideas for this, I think it's really cute. Maybe I'll just find a little vase to put it in, because I do think it's cute. And I don't know if cotton and succulents go together. Nah, that looks stupid. So I don't know, just an idea of some fun stuff that I had, and I'm going to put these cotton in a bag by itself because, as you guys saw, it does kind of get places. So there's that, and then I have all of these leftover flowers that I will put in another bag. And I still have all of this leftover, I'm calling it cat's tail. I know that's not what it's called, but I don't know what to do with that either. I might just put that on top of my white thing. So there, we are done, I think, with today's project. Kind of fun. Getting rid of my flowers. I'm going to put them somewhere because I do not need them right now. Okay, so let's look at this again. I like this. I think that's cute. So there's that and this. And then yesterday, or whatever you guys saw it, we made this one. So if you're interested in that, this is a separate video, but check that out. And then I also made something for my door. So yeah, lots of projects with flowers, and that's unusual for me. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope that this helps you guys with something. Maybe some ideas for decorating or something like that. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure it all out myself. This bow is driving me bananas because they just keep wanting to go inside of each other. So I'm going to stick some more glue down here in between them. See what I can do here. If all else fails, glue it, right? All right, so there we go. Thanks, guys. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.